What is industrial organization? Industrial organization deals with the strategic behavior of firms, policies, and competition. It applies economic theories of price to industries. Economists who study industrial organization seek to understand the methods that industries use to operate, the way they contribute to economic welfare, and government policies in relation to these industries. Industrial organization does not just pertain to manufacturing, but also to any large-scale business such as tourism or agriculture. It is sometimes referred to as industrial economy. What is the theory of price? Also known as price theory, it is a microeconomic principle that uses supply and demand to determine an appropriate price for a good or service. It aims to achieve a balance between the quantity of the good or service and the consumer's desire for the said product. For example, if the business identifies that $5 is an appropriate price for a screwdriver, then buyers are willing to spend those $5 to buy it because it is a fair price in exchange for a screwdriver. Breaking down industrial organization. The study of industrial organization builds up into the theory of firm, a set of theories that delve into the characteristics of a firm in relation to its existence, behavior, and structure in the market. The core of industrial organization, however, is to see how both markets and industries compete with each other by factoring in real-world complications, such as government intervention, transaction costs, barriers to entry, and more. What is the theory of firm? It is when the firm is in pursuit of maximum profit, which are analyzed in what are its inputs, what production techniques are employed, what is the quantity produced, what is the price it charges. The theory suggests that firms generate goods to a point where marginal cost equals marginal revenue, and use factors of production to the point where their marginal revenue product is equal to the cost incurred in employing factors. The top theories of firm. Profit maximizing theories. It's quite obvious that firms would aim for a maximum profit. The theories based on profit maximization are derived from the neoclassical marginalist theory of the firm. The main concern of the firm, however, is to arrive at a logical price which will yield the most profit. In essence, theories that originate from profit maximization seek to widen the difference between revenue and total cost as much as possible. This theory is based on the assumption that firms seek to maximize their long-term profits. Other optimizing theories. An alternative to profit maximization has been suggested by W. J. Baumol, an American economist and a professor of economics at New York University. Suggested that firms operating in oligopoly will seek to maximize sales revenue subject to a profit constraint. His argument is mainly based on public statements by businessmen and on a number of prior arguments as to the disadvantages of declining sales, for example, fear of customers shunning a less popular product, less favorable treatment from banks, loss of distributors, and a poorer ability to adopt a counter-strategy against a competitor. The managers' large firms would stand to gain more from this strategy than profit maximization. Sales maximization implies that as the size of the organization expands, the status of the managers are also enhanced as well as their promotion aspects.
Audio Jungle.